Hello guys, what's up? It's me, Mushtaq Ahmad, your technical buddy.
Presenting OnePlus 8 5G with 48 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. You have 3 color options to choose from: Onyx Black, Glacial Green and Interstellar Glow. You can also choose from 3 memory variants as 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. Both the SIM slots support nano SIMs with 5G connections on dual standby. 6.55-inch 90Hz fluid display with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and 402 ppi density let you have an immersive experience. This smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor. The 48 megapixel rear camera is capable of shooting 4K or Ultra HD videos at 30 or 60 FPS. It is also equipped to shoot super slow motion videos and time-lapse. OnePlus 8 5G is powered by Oxygen operating system, which is based on Android version 10 with 2.86 GHz of clock speed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 powered by Kryo 585 CPU octa-core processor and Adreno 650. The 4300 mAh lithium-ion battery provides you with longer talk time.
The OnePlus 8 is the spiritual successor of the OnePlus 7 and will go on to eventually replace the OnePlus 7. Build quality is excellent thanks to the curved edge front and black glass sandwiching the metal frame. The buttons are easy to reach and the alert slide is handy as always. The OnePlus 8 has a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel with sloping slide, a wide color gamut, and a hole punch cutout. In the upper left corner, the 90 Hz refresh rate makes usage in general feel fluid and snappy. It also has a in-display fingerprint sensor, such as super quick at authentication. All it takes is a quick, firm tap to unlock it. We reviewed the top-end variant of the OnePlus 8, which has 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, priced at rupees 4,000. Priced at rupees 49,999. Gaming performance is top-notch. Fortnite can run at 90 FPS and the experience is good. Games and movies are especially enjoyable thanks to the very good stereo speaker on the OnePlus 8. Oxygen OS is also well equipped with lot of shortcuts and gestures waiting to be discovered. The new launcher now offers a more seamless multitasking experience. There is 5GB of free cloud storage for backup once you sign in with a OnePlus account. A built-in screen recorder and dynamic wallpaper. The OnePlus 8 has the same 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with optical stabilization as the 7T. In daylight, it captures detailed image with vivid color and balanced HDR. The wide-angle camera is also useful. The third macro camera doesn't have good quality, but it can be useful in some instances. The selfies camera was decent under good light, but didn't do well in low light.